Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to the native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic, I intend to in Arabic language. How to say I intend to in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this, because this really helps me a lot. Thank you. And let's see an example. I intend to start a diet. I intend to start a diet. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say أنوي بدء حمية. أنوي بدء حمية. أنوي I intend. I intend. Okay, start بدء حمية a diet. أنوي بدء حمية. I intend to start a diet. أنوي بدء حمية. So I intend to means أنوي and after it you add مصدر. After it you add مصدر. مصدر, the noun that comes from the verb. مصدر. Okay, so please look at this sentence. I intend to spend the holiday in Germany. I intend to spend the holiday in Germany. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say أنوي first. أنوي قضاء العطلة في ألمانيا. أنوي قضاء العطلة في ألمانيا. قضاء spend. Okay, العطلة the holiday في ألمانيا in Germany. أنوي قضاء العطلة في ألمانيا. Okay, the next sentence. I intend to apply for that job. I intend to apply for that job. So first we say أنوي التقدم إلى تلك الوظيفة. أنوي التقدم إلى تلك الوظيفة. التقدم apply for. إلى التقدم إلى apply for تلك that job الوظيفة. أنوي التقدم إلى تلك الوظيفة. Okay, I intend to tell him the truth. I intend to tell him the truth. So first we put أنوي إخباره الحقيقة. أنوي إخباره tell him. أنوي إخباره الحقيقة the truth. أنوي إخباره الحقيقة. I intend to tell him the truth. Okay, so أنوي means I intend to. Okay, and after it you add مصدر. أنوي قضاء العطلة في ألمانيا. أنوي التقدم إلى تلك الوظيفة. أنوي إخباره الحقيقة. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope it's useful for you, inshallah. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.